Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda Civic, a car that continues to set the benchmark for reliability, efficiency, and modern design. Whether you're a long-time Honda fan or just exploring your options for a stylish, fuel-efficient sedan, this Civic has a lot to offer. Honda has refined the Civic's design while keeping its sleek and sporty appearance. The front grille is sharper, the LED headlights are slimmer, and the aerodynamic body lines give it a more aggressive stance. The 2025 model stays true to its roots while bringing a fresh, modern touch that makes it stand out on the road. Under the hood, Honda gives us multiple engine options. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a solid balance of power and efficiency, making everyday driving smooth and enjoyable. If you want a bit more punch, there's the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, providing extra horsepower and torque for those who enjoy a little more excitement behind the wheel. Honda's engineering keeps the ride comfortable and responsive, making city commutes or highway cruising equally enjoyable. Fuel efficiency has always been one of the Civic's strong suits, and the 2025 model is no exception. Whether you choose the naturally aspirated or turbocharged engine, you can expect excellent gas mileage, helping you save at the pump without compromising performance. For those looking for an even greener option, Honda is offering a hybrid variant that takes efficiency to the next level. Stepping inside, the 2025 Civic greets you with a refined and tech-forward interior. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic, with a high-quality finish that feels premium for its class. The digital instrument cluster gives you all the important information at a glance, while the infotainment system now features an upgraded touchscreen with improved responsiveness and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda has also upgraded the sound system, so whether you're listening to music or taking calls, the audio experience is crystal clear. Comfort and space have been optimized as well. The seats are ergonomically designed for long drives, and the rear passengers will appreciate the generous legroom. Honda has also made improvements to cabin noise reduction, making your drives quieter and more relaxing. When it comes to safety, Honda never compromises. The 2025 Civic comes packed with Honda sensing, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. These technologies work together to keep you and your passengers safe, making the Civic one of the most secure cars in its segment. For those who love a sportier driving experience, the Civic C and the high-performance Civic Type R are also expected to return, delivering more power, sharper handling, and an overall thrilling ride. These models are perfect for enthusiasts who want a car that's fun to drive while still being practical for daily use. The 2025 Honda Civic continues to be a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and feature-packed sedan. With its modern design, efficient performance, advanced technology, and strong safety features, it's a car that delivers value on every level. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new Civic, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video.